Wondering how to recycle your Christmas cards? Try these 4 methods. Number 1. Tags. Take your Christmas card and cut out a small section that you think would make a nice tag. You can cut out multiple tags using one card. You can use a pair of pinking shears to give your tags a nice edge. This is a fun activity that you can do together as a family. Next, take a hole punch and punch a hole at the top of each of your tags. Finally, thread a piece of ribbon or string through the hole and tie it in a knot. Number 2. Jigsaws. First, cut off the back of your Christmas card. Turn the card over, then draw some jigsaw pieces on the back. Carefully cut these out using a pair of scissors. Children can then have lots of fun putting this together. You could even put these inside some homemade Christmas crackers. Number 3. Picture frames. Cut out some of your favourite Christmas cards and put them into a frame. This makes the most perfect Christmas decoration. Number 4. New cards. You can take some of your favourite Christmas cards and make them into new cards. You can cut out the sections that you like and stick them onto a new card. You could use some double-sided tape to stick different shades of paper and the parts of the Christmas card that you like onto the new card. You could also add some stickers or other craft materials onto the card.